Logan here in beautiful Charleston, South Carolina. And I can't tell you the number of times I've been out on a boat and the throttle's been too tight or too loose. Well, today I want to show you how we can adjust our throttle so it's perfect. So let's go ahead, dive on in. So here we have our typical Yamaha mechanical control, and real easy. All we're going to do here on the bottom of the throttle, I'm going to go ahead and pop this piece on off. Then we're going to take our flathead Phillips, which should be in your boat toolbox anyways. See that little screw right there? We can now then go ahead, tighten it or loosen it as need be. Once you're done, go ahead, put that piece on back in. If y'all have any questions, leave a comment below. Subscribe if you like the content, and have fun out there in the water.